Good day to drive, especially in this 2025 Hyundai KONA with black exterior and interior, sitting for 5 with 4 doors. It has a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's an all-wheel drive. Desirable features include auto hold, selectable drive modes, winter package, and more features to see. If you like this vehicle, would like to book it for a test drive, please join our website island4.ca. And now let's take a look under the hood, in and outside the vehicle. It's a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's an all-wheel drive. Let's take a look inside. Storage and speaker in the door, power locks, windows and mirrors. Your driver's seat is manual with manual lumbar. Carpet and mats on the floor with the KONA badging. Electronic parking brake, hill descent control, traction control, and light controls. Sliding into the vehicle, to start it, keys in the pocket, push the brake and press the start button. On the face of your steering wheel, dash control, cruise control, media with volume, lane keeping assist, and your hands-free dialing. Your dash shows your odometer reading, important messages, and vital vehicle information. The center stack features a touchscreen with the AM/FM satellite radio, Bluetooth, and other functions, and we can take a look at your backup camera. Now we gotta put it back in parking. Your air vents, volume and tuner media controls, and your hazard light, climate control system with air conditioning, defrost, and more functions. Room for storage below with a 12-volt outlet and USB-C charging ports. Your gear shift dial, selectable drive modes to switch them depending on the road and weather conditions. Heated steering wheel and seat controls. You can have a view of your camera without backing up, and your auto hold to hold your fuel towing, for example. 2 cup holders, console with storage below, your glove compartment, sun visors, and light control. 18-inch wheels, body colored door handles with intelligent access, privacy glass at the back windows, gas cap on the driver's side. In the rear, your backup camera would be below the KONA badging. To open your lift gate, press the button and put it up. Here you access the cargo area with ample of space for your storage needs. Tie downs in all 4 corners, and when you're done, grab the handle above you on the right side, push it down and close it, and you're good to go on your latest adventure. Storage and speaker in the door, power windows for added convenience. The seating is for 3 60/40 split, which means you can maximize your in-cabin storage by folding your seats down. To do so, you gotta pull the tab, fold your seat down. Here you access the cargo area. Anchors to tether baby seat, and when you're done, just lift your seat up. An armrest with 2 cup holders, carpet and mats on the floor, your air vents, USB-C charging ports, and room for storage. Hooks and handle, and your dome light. Backup camera in the rear, privacy glass at the back windows, body colored adjustable side view mirrors with integrated signal and blind spot monitoring, halogen headlights and fog lights, and more features to see. If you like this video, please subscribe and join us at island4.ca. We have plenty to show you, and we'd love to hear your comments.